Vaccination of kids aged 5 to 11 years old has already started today, February 7, in 6 sites in Metro Manila. These are the Philippine Heart Center, Philippine Children's Medical Center, National Children's Hospital, Manila Zoo, SM North EDSA, and the Phil-Oil Gym in San Juan City. The vaccination will be expanded to Central Luzon and Calabarzon on Tuesday, February 8. The symbolic vaccination kicked off at the National Children's Hospital, attended by their hospital chief, Dr. 𝗵𝗫𝗀𝗀 𝗀𝗀, Philippine Pediatric Society President Dr. 𝗸𝗶𝗰𝗰𝗶𝘁𝗀, NTF Against COVID-19 Chief Implementer Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., and U.S. Embassy Chargé d'Affaires 𝗸𝗲𝗿𝗀. According to Dr. 𝗶𝗀𝗀, vaccination of minors is very important to allow kids to increase their social interaction, which they have been deprived of for more than 2 years already.
Of course, likewise, the children, okay? The children needs to interact not just with gadgets, which they do nowadays. Kaya wala na silang social interaction kasi they don't know how to interact with people anymore. So they have to interact not just with gadgets, but face-to-face with their classmates and playmates. We need to vaccinate them, our children, so they can have a better, safer, and brighter future.
𝗵𝗲𝗀 assured everyone that the vaccines are safe for minors. In fact, all their children at the U.S. Embassy have already been vaccinated.
I am thrilled to see these U.S. branded vaccines will help Filipino children get back to school, back to playing sports, and back to engagement in arts and cultural activities. And as a mother, I agree with Dr. 𝗶𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀 and 𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 that it is so important to get our children away from the devices. We're lucky to have technology, but nothing substitutes for personal interaction and social development of our children. So it's very exciting to see that we're on a path to getting back to that.
The Pfizer vaccine for this age group has a lower dosage and lower concentration than those given to youths aged 12 to 17. To make the vaccination centers kid-friendly, decorations such as balloons were mounted, and kids were also given loot bags. Phil-Oil Gym's Vac site even invited character performers dressed as superheroes and Disney princesses to make the kids feel at ease. Meanwhile, according to Cebu City Health Department Head Dr. 𝗷𝗶𝗰𝗶𝗀𝗀, vaccination of this age group in Cebu City will begin on February 14 at the Cebu City Sports Complex. He said more than 5,000 children have already been registered via their 𝗶𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 website.
Tanga mo ang giusasad sa gistoryahan nga. Mo-follow lang ta sa katong text messaging no kay lisod man gud kayo nga maadtutan mga bata dayon no ang mga ginikanan kinala to sa ma-control for the meantime kay wa mo takibaon say gidaghanon nga to mabakunahan sa 5 to 11 di man para sa dagko nga inighuman og prepare tusok kandayon no sa mga bata imo pa maululuhan imo patanaw nga di mo hilak imo patanaw ng ilahang kuan o nay certain nga difference gyud sa mga bata no kay dadunon man gyud sila sa labi na sa bakuna nato kinala nato sila kay manghilak mo gyud ni no labi na kanang 5 years old 6 years old to 7 years old no kuan pa gyud kayo kana bang manghilak even sa atong mga anang vaccination sa health center ang uban gani na managan kita nagdagom no.
Some parents in Cebu are looking forward to the date so that their children can already be protected from the virus.
Okay, para ang mga bata inig-eskwela nila, okay na sila, dili na kayo kuan nila barisgo sa ilang panglawas. Mas likay sila sa kaning mga yung sakit nga COVID ba. Okay na siya. Okay ra ko anong
yun ba mo sir nga baksinan ang mga bata?
Pwede yun nasad ko. Kay para sa safety sa mga bata ba. Kay kasagaran sa doon daghan sa mga aning bata magsige gawas pud ba para sad ma-safety pud ang ilaha pong kuan sa mga virus.
While others are still hesitant to have their kids vaccinated.
Di lang ko ganahan. Dili sa ko pa kuha sa kong anak. Naagi gidakad.
This has been Andrea Pateña-Matheu for MyTV Cebu.